order to eliminate an open end at the junction of the wall and any door architrave, you need to taper the co-former so that the floor can be finished neat and flush to the architrave. To achieve this, measure and mark the center of the co-former approximately 200 mm from the end. Make 2 cuts from this mark to the outer edges of the end of the cove and remove this section. To release the tension in the co-former, make a cut either side of the starting point. The former will then fold together, reducing itself over the distance of 200 mm. Adhere the former into position. Then fit the Altro safety floor tightly onto the cove and cut it in to form a neat finish to the architrave. Once fitted, it is recommended that all architraves are sealed with Altro mastic. Altro mastic sealant is supplied in colors to match Altro safety floors and is designed to seal pipes, toilet pans and door frames, for example, which have been cut through the flooring systems.